What's up, traders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gentle FX, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This today tutorial, I'll be teaching you simple strategy to trade the VIX index. You can apply it on other VIX index, but I'm using VIX 10x to do this thing. How did I enter this trade? Yes, let me use my indicator to show you how I entered the trade. I'm using that indicator that I showed you on the last video to update this kind of trade. So why did I enter this trade? First of all, you need to combine price action with this strategy. See what I mean here? If you close this indicator right now, you will understand that this market is a clear downtrend. The market will be trending down. So, but for me to have many confluences, I need to break out this my indicator. And with the help of this 60 moving average, this black one I'm touching, this one, with the help of it, and how it crossed the stochastic signal line, I know that this market, it also gives me a clear view that this market is also on a downtrend. So what happened next is that this signal line, it traces to 50 level of moving average. So as it traces to 50 level of moving average, so I also have to find another important level to enter the market, because I missed the aggressive entry. I missed the aggressive entry here. So because I don't want to miss this trade, I have to find a level where I need to trade with the big boys, because we follow the people on the markets. You can't just come out and enter the market blindly without identifying this thing. So in this market we have two to three confirmation. The first confirmation is that we know that the market is a downtrend. Then our indicator window one also confirm it with us, and our 50% moving average confirm the retracement level. So, and the 60 moving average indicator window one also told us that this market is a downtrend, because it is above our stochastic signal line. So that is the reason why I entered the market. And another one is that there's many rejection here, showing us that sellers are rejecting the buyer's pressure, telling us that the market will continue moving down. So I can say I'm a massive profit. So I entered this market with a different lot size. This one is the smallest. So, and I want you to learn this thing and apply it on your demo account before going live. Every strategy I'm showing you here, please backtest it. Don't go on live account immediately. And look at the settings here. The settings of this indicator window one. See the settings here. So the relative strength index, the period is 14. Apply to weighted close. Style 3 pixel. Color of your background, and the level are 90 and 10. 90 and 10. The level are 90, 10 and 50. This is it, 90, 10 and 50. That's the level. And stochastic oscillator is K period, K percent period 60, D percent period 1, slowing 1, price feed low high, method simple, 3 pixel on main signal, on main, and color of your background, and signal pixel is it's red, level is 20 and 80, and video not necessary. Then you click done. And moving average is 060, shift to 0, smooth, close, 3 pixel. I use purple color. You can use any color of your choice. You click done, and that is it. So thank you, and remain blessed. Please subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.